How to add a credit or debit card on Alibaba. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to add a credit or debit card for payments on Alibaba. If you've been wondering how to set this up, let me show you how it's done quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Alibaba app. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your device. Once it's open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on My Alibaba. It's located in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Go to the payment section. After you're on the My Alibaba page, scroll down until you see the payment option. Tap on it to access your payment settings. Step 3. Add a new card. In the payment settings, you'll find an option that says Add a new card. Tap on this option, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Carefully fill in all the required card information, including the card number, expiry date, CVV, and name on the card. Double-check to make sure everything is accurate. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once you've entered all the details, tap Confirm to save the card. That's it. Your card will now be added to your Alibaba account and ready for use in payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.